What it do, YouTube? C-Mac in a Hemi 300C with a quick switch. So I did get the part, it's already in. But the thing about it is, they gave me the wrong part. The reason why I say that is because if you have remote start, there is a hookup right here that's not here. See that? It's not there. So I just went on ahead and broke down, went to Chrysler, got the original 4 part. You can pause this video and look at the part number if you need it. But yeah, so let me open this up real quick. Okay, so fellas, that is what you need, this part, to hook up to your cord that I got tucked under there. So it's gonna go on just like that. But this has to be there in order for your remote start to even work. So when I try to remote start my car without that part, it'll say hood ajar, remote start, unavailable, or something like that. So make sure you get the right part, man. Make sure that piece right there is on there to hook up, so you have your remote start. So I'm gonna put that on and we'll test the remote start.